Get a better look here. The water's flowing the banks. Look at the water. Bella, heel. Right here, right where my canoe is, we are, wow, are we ever underwater here? She's flowed its banks all the way down. Bella, come here. Before you get washed down. Bella, come here. Let's see how close I can get now. Look, the shore is totally underwater. There's a tree out there. I don't think I can get to the other side. We're flowing over there, flowing here. Oh, okay. Bella, heel. Bella. Jeez. Don't let her tell you're a female. Dense fog. Wow, is the fog ever rolling in? And I gotta cross the running brook. We said that's all underwater there. There we go. Yes, we are underwater. It's not coming up through the camp though. But she is. We got a good footing here without. Oh, something's coming through. Bella, here. Bella! Look at that log jam go. You see that? That was a massive tree that just got caught up. Didn't take me out.